In this video, I'm going to show you how to get custom Discord server vanity links. So the first thing you want to do is go into your server where you want to paste the vanity link in, and simply go under here where it says messages, and you have to paste in the following code or following message. So you'll find this in the description, just simply copy it and yeah, paste it in and we can continue. Now what you then want to do over here where it says invite, make sure to replace this with your server invite code. And the way you get this is by going up here to the server name and then clicking invite people and then simply copying the Discord code, so the invite link. You've got that. Now you can paste it in. You have to delete this and then paste in the code. There we go, the invite link. And then up here where it says code, you have to delete this as well and then type in what you'd like your custom link to be. In my case, I want it to be instant how to. There we go. And then once you've done this, all you want to do is click on enter, and that's basically it. Now as you can see, you've got your custom link. You can paste this into any server and just simply click on join. People can click on join and they will join your server. So this is how you do it. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel.